All right, so check out this really cool TCTEC. It's a keychain, but it's a voice recorder. So if you ever go into like an office and you want to record like something, maybe you want to record a conversation, this is gonna do it for you. This thing is tiny. It's got a really good like keychain part to it, another clip as well, so you can clip it onto like your backpack. It has two different modes. You have your on. When you turn it on, it's going to start recording after 3 flashes, and then when you hit off, it's gonna save that recording, and then when you put it into a VA mode, you can keep it on there for a while, and if it stops talking, it will stop the recording and then pick it back up when you hear voices coming back through. It also comes with your USB-C cable, and then also another adapter, so if you want to plug this into your computer, you can do that. But it comes with this cool attachment where you can plug it into that USB-C, and then you have a controller right here. You also get a set of headphones that you can plug in, and then you can actually play back those recordings. You can raise and lower the volume and also change to different tracks. When you hook it into your computer, you can get those recordings, but you can also input your time zone. You can change that voice sensitivity dB levels from 1 to 7. You can also change the bit rate higher and change the gain of the recording volume. There's also some other cool things you can do there, but overall, just a tiny little recording device, and it works great. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.